Yes. What's good? Yeah, I think the bot's blocked, man. Yeah, the block. The bot is blocked. So fuck that motherfucker. Um, try and share this. How do I share that, bro? Right, we're good. Good. Sweet. What's good? Oh no. All right. I think the bot's back. The bot's back. Fuck's sake. Meech kill the bot, bro. Right, yo, I'm getting straight onto the charts. I'm gonna do some charting now. Okay. That's not the charts. Oh yeah, that's what I need you to look at though as well. I'm gonna drop the link in the thing for you, alright? If you wanna attend this today, is late notice, but they're giving away 100 accounts, okay? Redline's giving away 100 fucking accounts to people just there viewing, so that's pretty sick. But yo, let's get on the trading view anyway. So should be able to see my trading view now. It says he's donated before, but I ain't never seen a donation though, no? It says he's donated, but yeah, I went on my YouTube studio and it says I ain't had no gifts or no donations, bro. So I don't know what the fuck's going on, but I did hear the thing go off and I did see it. But if you're not a bot, then you're cool. I really don't care. Like, keep him around. He's not bothering me. It's all love, but it's a bit strange. Calling me daddy and shit. But yo, fuck it. I'm the daddy, I guess. Yeah. I just ain't your daddy, bro. Alright, so anyways, let's lock the fuck in. I'm trading straight from TradingView today. NASDAQ on the left, US 30 on the right. I decided to trade directly from you from TradingView today instead of on Redline. I'm trading with Apex because I really just couldn't be fucked to set up my laptop and enter separately and all of that stuff. So yeah, I still do fuck with Redline. I still do have Redline accounts. Today London was torture, horrible session. So I'm hoping that today's New York session's a little bit better. I'll be real. I really do hope today I get a better New York session. But we'll see. We'll see. Just stick to the plan. Simple breakouts, right? But support, resistance, and breakouts. My bad. So right now, if I was to have to mark up anything, I mean, these would be my areas that I'm expecting price to go and react from. All right, so this is like the old school way I used to do it. But our main range, like our main range would be like right now would be there. So there's a few ways you can trade breakouts, okay? Like you could say, all right, cool, I'm going to get in through the break of this or draw an actual breakout line, whatever, it don't matter. But you know you're targeting like an area, right? A whole area. So this is like a whole area of support and resistance. So you'd be getting in for shorts and targeting this whole area, right? Tight stop loss. You just want to be in and out. And if it goes against you, then you want to get out really fucking quickly. And then also you'd have like an entry like this. So just a short snappy entry like this. I used to draw lines, but it's the same shit really. Honestly, the lines just used to stand out more for people. So it'd be like they know more when they're watching. That's the entries, but I guess you're all past that stage now. But yeah, 25 pips, 30 pips. I might let it go a little bit less or more. It depends on how much money I'm looking at and going, oh fuck yeah, I'm not comfortable with losing that much. But I'm trying to smash and grab today for real. Get in and get out fast. So NASDAQ set up and ready to go. There's big ass area down there. The price might want to come and revisit. Also, I'll put the CAFX Pro on. I'll just keep the 4-hour liquidity on. Just like the bigger lines. Cool. Yeah, that looks decent. Take this off for a sec. Remember now on YouTube you're going to get a bit of a delay, right? It's depending on where you are in the world, all of that stuff. But the setups that I'm putting on the screen, I will get into whatever one breaks first, really. That's the rule, like. I don't give a fuck about the bias. I don't really care about the overall direction. Because at the end of the day, when it breaks, it's usually just sweeping liquidity anyway before moving somewhere. So that's my philosophy behind it. Just trading fake outs half the time. That's why I smash and grab in and out business, right? Bro, whoa, we got like a minute before this motherfucker pops. Alright, it's like a minute. Shit. I don't like how far down we gotta come to catch a break from US 30, but if it's really about business and it wants to melt, then it will. Alright. Fuck, I'm not liking how much of a gap that is though. So I'm kind of looking at NASDAQ more, I'll be real with you, but whatever one pops through, I suppose. Could we put the breakout there though? Yeah, the mid breakout. Yeah, it'd kind of be like we could get away with getting in there, I suppose. Maybe you're just targeting the closest levels, right? So don't be scared to get in and get out though if it goes against you. If you see yourself getting a decent amount of profit now, don't be scared to push the buy and the sell button. Get in and get out. All right. But right now, there's nothing happening as of yet. I'm gonna see if there was a trend line there. Yeah, it kind of is. Right, US 30 looks like it might be the one. I'm selling US 30, man. I'll be ready to close this fucker though if it reverses on me sharp, because we are at a little bit of a support. Oh, you see about that then? And I just noticed I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Motherfucker. I thought I was on the 5-minute like on NASDAQ. I'm on a 15-minute time frame. Ain't that a bitch? Yeah, I thought I was on the fuck me, the 5-minute time frame like NASDAQ. Alright, NAS is dropping too, which is really nice. I might have to close this and get into the NASDAQ one unless it pushes now. I'll give it a little chance, but yeah, I'm thinking of closing and getting into NASDAQ. Depends. I can't believe I'm on a 15-minute. I thought I was on a fucking 5, bro. This would have been my entry up there. All the way up there would have been my entry. Genuinely thought it was the fucking 5-minute time frame. Alright. If it's going to melt, though, it's going to melt. If it's really on that smoke, then it wouldn't have a problem coming all the way down there. But I'm only like 325 down, so you can see why I'm not that worried. Because it's a 150k account, so if it melts, then I'm going to have to let it go down. But, yo, look at that. What the fuck? That's ugly. And that NASDAQ open was not good neither. All right, I'm closing now. That's halfway. That's like 500 plus, and I'm willing to lose like 1,000 in a trade. So for me, that's a fuckery. All right, cool, you little bitch. So that was my bad though, not knowing I was on the fucking 15-minute. I was supposed to be on the 5. This would have been my entry up there, so I would have had time to like recover that. Is what it is though. Nasdaq's looking like it's pushing, so I might take one on Nasdaq now, but I might wait for the first 5-minute candle to be done before making another decision, because I got one trade left and I need to recover like almost 600 quid now. Bitch. I knew there was something off about US 30. Fucker. Yeah, that's wiki off Nasdaq. Super wiki. Alright, fuck you. US 30, my bad. That is my bad. I'm not gonna lie, I genuinely thought that was a 5-minute time frame. That's what I was saying, there's a big gap between them. I wasn't happy with this fucking gap. I was thinking this was the 5-minute time frame. So I still would have been stopped out anyway. But I just would have had a lot more time to recover from it. Fuck me. Let me get rid of those positions. I can't stand those. Execution marks. Yeah, fuck those. I like that noise. I wanted that noise on. Alright, so anyway, lock in. Sorry, fuck. The first entry was terrible. So I'm locking in, and I'm gonna go for a second entry if it gives me the opportunity. If it really, really rejected that area that much, and it wants to push through now to the upside, then I'm getting in, no hesitation, and I'm targeting the fucking upside, mate. We'll see though. That Nasdaq first 5-minute candle was horrid. Look at that. Horrible. Yo, Nasdaq looks like it's trying to come back down though. A bit more. Yeah, I'm in Nasdaq. All right, I'm in Nasdaq. Fuck it. It was pushing. All right, let's go, Nas. Let's go. All right, so at least I want to see it come and take this out. If it could get all the way down there, that'd be epic. But just getting moving in the right direction would be a good start. So, you know, I'm not hoping for too much yet. Come on, man, don't tweak there. Eight minutes left on a 15-minute candle. Come on, keep pushing. Hour. Nah, man. That's shit, Nas. That is shit. Come on. What the fuck? And then US 30 goes and does that. Bitch. No. No. No way. You gotta be fucking joking. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't do me dirty now. Go do your thing. You wanna drop. I know you do. US 30's doing the thing. Holy shit. Nasdaq, you need to do the same now. Come on. There we go. That's better. US 30's fucking doing the job though. I can't look over that side. I refuse. Come on, Nasdaq. Get down there. Do what US 30's doing. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. So the first T piece, like I said, would be this. All right. Then you can move to break even and do all of that shit, trail your stop loss. I don't really care. But that's nice from NASDAQ. That's really nice. I'm keeping my finger on the trigger ready. No, I haven't been sniffing coca and that, by the way. I got a fucking bunged up nose from all the hay fever. I have, genuinely. Yo, it's pulling back. I'm not liking that. I want to be a warrior. I want to be a soldier and let it melt. I want it to come and get this 4-hour liquidity. Yeah, baby. Let's fucking go. Come on. Nah. You ain't feeling it? NASDAQ, you ain't feeling it today? Ah, NASDAQ. Come on, man. You were so close. I don't want to be a break even. I know you don't want me to be a break even. Come on, NASDAQ. Get through there. I got full faith in you. Get down there. It's light work for you. Push-ups. Let's go. Let's go. All right. New 5-minute candle coming in. I don't really think I want to stay in there for the chances of it pulling all the way back. I'll see how it acts now, but that's not closing. It's not closing super weak, but not super strong neither. Come on, push. If that shit gets bullish, I'm gonna get out. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on, NASDAQ. Stay bearish. Stay bearish, baby. Oh, shit. Fuck. The AC just flew off. No. Shit, you can't see my screen. Oh, shit. I got too excited. My bad. Fuck. Let's go. No. Yo, I got a bit gassed there and almost fucked up the whole operation. All right. It's slowing down a little bit, but it is heading towards that 4-hour liquidity, man. That's nice. That's beautiful. Let's get it. Go, go, go. Give me 10 push-ups, baby. 1, 2, 3. No, keep going. You're getting weaker, not stronger. You're supposed to do more. Come on now, NASDAQ. I know you're there. I know you've done a good job. I'm proud of you, but I need you to do a little bit more. No? You're like, fuck you. All right. I understand. So, yeah, if it comes back up now and, you know, starts losing the bearish momentum, I will close because I'm not holding the pullback. I am not sitting there for a pullback if it doesn't melt. Yes, it's pulling back a little bit, you know, so I'm super close to closing. You can close if you want. Mind, people, don't just wait on me. I'm just like reading it in real time. You lot might have latency and stuff on the tube, so I'm just reading it like the price action. I'm laser focused on that price. I'm not even looking at the candle. I'm looking at the price, and I'm seeing that it's fluctuating lower, not getting higher. So it's kind of like my cue to get the fuck out when it's doing that. I'm out. I'm out. Fuck it. I had to do it. I can just see that it's rejecting a bit, so it is what it is. It is what it is. It was almost a 1 to 3. First entry was really bad, and to be honest, even if I did go on the 5-minute time frame, US 30 just wasn't the pair today. NASDAQ definitely was. So yeah, fuck it. Is what it is. Yeah, whatever that is. I don't know how much that was today. Not a lot. Not a lot. $673 profit. Bit of a shit one, really. It could have been a lot more. I could have had that 1,500 if I didn't fuck the first position, but it happens. It's part of trading. It is. It just genuinely is. I mean, look at the state on US 30. Fuck me. So to justify my mistake on US 30, even if I did get in on the 5-minute time frame, all right, yeah, I would have been, I would have definitely been either I would have smashed and grabbed, or it would have happened so quick that it would have come all the way back and I would have just been at break even, or maybe took a small loss closing it, and then it breaks to the upside. Pretty decent, actually, not gonna lie. The upside break was pretty decent. Little 25 pip stop. That was actually a decent trade. Yeah, right. So YM smashed as well, but it was more of a smash and grab, pull back, all of that. So they both kind of did okay on the 5-minute time frame, but I'd say NASDAQ's definitely the stronger one today. And I still don't think that it's done. I still don't think it's done. I just got out early, but like the whole TP would be down there. So yeah, NASDAQ did all right today. Not bad. That was a strong bearish candle. That was lovely. Looks like it's going straight down. But anyway, let me look at the chat real quick. CPI was 130, so it's gone. I didn't even know that. Rick, I know. What's good, Rick? Rick, the fucking terrorist, he's on you. I hate Rick. Rick can fuck off. Yeah, it's a W though still. I'm up 600 plus. That lovely. Same shit here, man. It ain't amazing, but I'm up. I recovered and I'm up. So I'm not gonna complain about it. Let's take a look at what a tube is saying. 600 today on US 30. Nice. Close now. you must have been on about when I was fucking just watching it twerk on that support. No, I know. I should have closed when it was 1,500, really. You know what I'm like. You know what I'm like. I like it the hard way. Is what it is. I'll probably fucking end up going on to trade again today. But look at it, it's going to that fucking take profit. The little bitch. The rogue potato 1 to 3. Lovely stuff. Yo, I'm going to do a quick promo, yeah? Apex, this is what I'm trading with today. 90% discount on all accounts when you use the code CAFX01. All right, which all of you probably know by now anyway. Also, Redline as well, 40% off when you use the code CAFX01. And today there's an event going on, so I don't know if any of you are interested, but I'm attending. It's in like 2 hours or so I got to be really quick. I was trading 1 mini, bro. 1 mini. All right. NASDAQ's looking really fucking nice right now. I wish that I wasn't seeing it, but I am. But yo, I'm about to drop a link in the chat for you lot right now. You can literally join for free. All right, wealth365.com. Join for free, and the boys are giving away 100 fucking funded accounts. All right, so 100 account giveaways. Oh, it says there 1,000 plus prop firm eval giveaways. So it might even be other prop firms too giving away shit. I don't fucking know. But get yourself in there now. So I'm going to drop the link over now. I'm going to put it in both chats, all right? But, you know, what is there to lose? It's free. You could get a giveaway, potentially, and you can learn from some of the top traders in the world, because there's going to be a bunch of fucking rich white people in there. Do I need to say anything more? How many... Oh, yeah, I already said that. Yo, look at that shit going straight to the fucking TP. This is why I piss myself off sometimes. I cut myself short all the fucking time. Really, I should have just grew some balls and held that. But you know what? I just wasn't in the mood. I'll be real with you. I hate it when it just starts tweaking and taking time. I like it to just fully melt. So, yo, everyone understand too. I'm making changes to my Redline Discord trading times. So I'll be trading the franc. I'll be trading the franc and German 40 side by side tomorrow. So you can join me in there and trade that with me. I'll post the times later on. I'll do a bit of back testing first, but I'll do that live as well. We can back test together, figure out what time's better, whether it's the pre-London or the London Open. And then we'll also trade a bit of futures as well after we do the franc and the German 40, all right? So that's a big change I'm doing to the Redline server trading as well. Motherfucker, tell me if you're still in this trade. Someone tell me if you're still in this trade. I can't believe it. Yeah, I'm trying to send the link over now, bro, but it's just... Wait there. I think I know what I can do. I think I know what I can do. I'm gonna have to fucking comment on it myself in the video. For some reason, it's not letting me send the link to my computer. Yeah, it's just failing. All right, fuck you. Go fail. You little failer. Right, so I got to comment on my own channel right now. I got my own live stream and comment. All right, cool. It's all good anyway. Who gives a fuck? All right, cool. It's all good anyway. Who gives a fuck? There's my latency. Cool, it's all good anyway. Who gives a fuck? All right. Here's the link. That's the link, people. So go and get in there now because it starts in a few hours, all right? So I'll quickly do a YouTube short and an IG reel as well. But yeah, my bad for letting you know on such late notice. Also, Discord, I'm going to drop it in the Discord for you now as well. People who's in Discord, I'm going to drop it in your chats right now. Here you go, Discord. There it is. So you've all got it now. But yeah, I'm going to be there, so I'll see you inside. But, yo, ones for wins. Oh, yo, look at NASDAQ. Why do I cut myself early? Because I'm a little bitch. Say it with me. CAFX is a little bitch. Go on. Whoever calls me a bitch gets a fucking $1 million giveaway account. No, I'm joking. I'm a little bitch. I can't believe it. I need to slap myself. Look at that. I hate it. Fuck you. That was the perfect trade. I got out so, like, prematurely, whatever it is. The time. Yeah, the time should tell you. The time should tell you, but, let me just double check. Because I don't know what PST is in the UK. Oh, there it is. No, it's not. I don't know where the fuck it is now. Oh yeah, there it is. Wednesday the 15th of July, today, 9 a.m. PT, 12 p.m. ET. Okay? Yeah, it says 0000 because that means that's like basically the time to have signed up, but you can still sign up. There's still time to sign up, all right? You sold right at the support of US 30. What the fuck, lol. NAS look cleaner in my opinion. Yeah, bro, I know. Listen, let me just justify that for a sec. I need to justify it. I thought I was on the fucking 5-minute time frame. So my original... Wait there. I was on the 15-minute time frame, right? So this was what I was looking at. This is where I was. And price was doing this. Yeah, around about there. Bit more. Wait, bro. No, whatever way I look at that, that was fucked anyway, because I could have just put it there. Anyway, yeah. Whatever, yeah. That was a shitty trade. However, I try and justify that. That was shitty. My entry should have been there because the open was in 15 minutes. Yeah, so, all right, whatever. It was a shit entry. Yeah, it was. That's where my entry should have been. And I would have had time to get in and get out quicker, but I didn't. So that's the only way I can justify that, is that I put my fucking thing way too low. Forgive me, you know. Should have been like this. But it was still a wiki ass trade any fucking way. Look at it. That was bullshit. NASDAQ was the one. So that's why I say when you do fail at one, you really need to let the other one play out. So I was either going to lose another $500 or a little bit more on NASDAQ, or I was going to win 1,000 at least minimum. And I did. I bagged like 1,100 and something. So I recovered and I won profit. You know what I mean? So it doesn't matter. But if I held my trade and believed in it and actually went for this, then I would have been super up. That would have been around about 3K plus. So it is what it is. But that's why double screening's a bit of a bitch sometimes. But every time I come with one chart, which would be NASDAQ every time, people complain. They want the double charts. So I just give you lot what you want. I'll be absolutely 100% real with you. I don't make my money from prop firms. Like, I trade props. I've made money from props. I fucking took a payout from Redline and I bought max allocation. So I got 5 accounts with them now, funded. Tokyo's doing cool, doing all right. And the New York and the London one's not doing so great. The 2 accounts that I've been trading with them. But guess what? I make my money from fucking actual trading fusion markets, real money. So the goal is to get the max allocation payout and then show you that I basically paid $100 for a $100,000 account with Redline. Took the max allocation once I took the payout, get the biggest payout that you can, and then go and put it in a personal account. But I'll still trade prop firms and stuff for you lot, for the content, giveaways, all of that. But my actual real money comes from trading real accounts. Like, did you see what Brandon did the other day with $200? Why the fuck would you not want to trade on a real account? And he had like minimum dough as well. It was like minimum dough, $200, and then I think he's on like 13K now. That's fucking nuts. And that isn't luck. That isn't luck. That's a strategy. Who is Brandon? Brandon Trades, bro. Check him out on YouTube. He's all right. The leverage is 2,000. There's a broker in the UK called Altima Markets. It's not from the UK, but it's an unregulated broker in the UK. So it could go sideways. He could take that account to 50K now and then try and get a fucking payout, and they could refuse him. Yo. I don't know why the fuck the live on the Discord done some weird shit then. What? My Discord's being weird. I swear the bot's fucking me up. In join stage? What the fuck do you mean join stage? It's my stage. There's some weird shit going on in there. I need someone to help me with my settings. Meech, I beg you help me with these settings, bro. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. Honestly, I think someone's controlling the stage, or I've got settings set so people can fuck with the Discord. I don't know what the fuck's going on, I'll be honest. But yeah, I wish I'm muted. Someone gotta be fucking with me. Hello? Yo. I can see myself speaking though. I don't fucking know. That's the shit that goes on in Discord. What the fuck? Like, why? Oh shit, I was gonna delete the channel. What the fuck? But yeah, YouTube, put a 1 in the chat if you actually made some money in this session. Put a 2 for losses, 3 for break-evens, and 4 for 0 trades. 5 if you blew an account, and 6 if you passed an account. Yo. Can you hear me now? Yeah? Weird, man. Yeah, it's on some weird stuff. How did you first get started trading? Bro. One of my friends came over and told me about, wait there, I'll answer you now. IC Markets lets you use 1 to 1,000 now. What the fuck? Are you sure? In the UK, that's awesome. Oh, is that in America as well? Because if that's in America, that's great, because I'm starting a account flip challenge. So I need you to have high leverage in America. I need you to have a little bit more than 500 leverage, but if that's all you got, that's all you got. America, though, I don't know why the fuck they're so harsh. Because America used to be the opposite. They used to be cool with that kind of stuff. UK, fair enough. No, I use Altima Markets. It's 2,000 leverage. I took 50 quid to 1,000 in 7 days. Brandon took £200 to fucking 2k in the first week. And now I believe he's over 10 grand in like 2 weeks. What the fuck? Do you know what I mean? That's the reality of trading with high leverage and real money. So, yeah, prop firms are all good just to get yourself payouts, but you realistically want to put it into a real account and, you know, come on now. But do they pay out? Yeah, they paid me. They paid me, bro. But what I'm trying to say about Altima Markets is I'm not sure if I tried making a £50,000 withdrawal, are they going to pay me then? Do you get me? So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what, I only asked for 1,000, so of course they're going to give me 1,000, but imagine I ask them for 100k. Imagine I get to 200k and I say I want my 100k, and because I'm in the UK and it's not even regulated in the UK, they could just say, fuck you and your 100k. What 100k? So that would, oh, I'd probably, can't say it, but you know. I'd read myself. No, that sounds weird. What pair did you trade for the account flip? All of them. So I genuinely did. I was winging it, so I was just winging it. There was no fucking actual plan apart from trade breakouts on the 1 minute time frame. Whatever was moving, like genuinely, I think I took trades on gold, US 30, NASDAQ, fucking Euro USD. But this time I'll come with a plan. This time, like, I'll take it seriously. I want high volume, high leverage and openings of sessions only. All right, and then we'll trill the fuck out of the stop losses and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing the account flip. I don't know if I'll be doing it live on YouTube. The only reason I say that is because of the latency. So you gotta be really, really like on the ball. If I get in and you get in 10 seconds late, because of the latency, with a fucking 2,000 leverage or 1,000 leverage, that's not good. That's not good, man. So I don't know. I'll think about it. I don't know. I don't know about YouTube though. I'll be real with you. I will be real. That'd be like latency on Discord. No, not really. I mean, you get super low latency on Discord. If you're getting latency on Discord, that's definitely an internet problem on your end, because I'm running like the highest, like fucking the best chip that Apple does right now, you know? So yeah, everything's set super fast. I got the fucking internet cable in, all of that bollocks that you need for fast internet, right? Are you doing a flip with the Discord members? No, anyone in a premium Discord gets everything, literally everything. So yeah, anyone in the premium Discord gets everything. Like, it's only right, isn't it? They do pay. Does TikTok have latency? That's interesting. I don't know. I don't know. That's an interesting one. Imagine trading live on TikTok. I actually don't know. That's funny. But yo, I'll be doing an account giveaway again soon. So we're only halfway through the month, but I will be doing them spin the wheels again. I might ask, can I do a spin the wheel this week, maybe? And just do it early, because I feel like we've had a few shitty sessions. Give you lot something to be excited for. US 30 was the pair today. Just a bad first trade. Let's take a look, because I can't see it right now. Oh, it's on bar replay mode. Nah, US 30 wasn't the pair today, bro. No, it wasn't. I'll argue with you. I'm arguing with you, Dan. US 30 was not the pair today, bro. If you look at the entry on NASDAQ, that was the pair. That was the pair. US 30's I mean, look at it. Or was you on the 1 minute time frame? Maybe on the 1 minute time frame. Oh yeah, on the 1 minute, it kind of looks banging. I mean, that's kind of a perfect entry on the 1 minute. Yeah, if you get in there, lovely, a lovely fucking clean 1 to 4. So it depends what time frame you're on, actually. But if we're going off of 5 minute time frame and 15 minute time frame, NASDAQ was definitely the better pair today, 100%. In my opinion, that, of course, we can all debate. But yo, look at what it did. Look at what it did. It went all the way to the fucking TP. It didn't exactly touch it, but yeah, it did. It did. It touched it. But the indicator just obviously didn't pick it up and read it because it's retarded. But it did. It touched it. So that was a fucking 1 to 6. A 1 to 6 I could have done today. And guess what I did? I got out there. Because I'm a pussy. Nah, because it was tweaking. And I already took a loss. If I didn't take the loss, I definitely would have rode that shit down. But I still ain't comfortable with trailing stop losses on TradingView, because you can't see how much you're trailing. You just... It doesn't show you a price. You just got to put a fucking order there. I really wish you could see how much you're trailing. What's the best way to trade a personal account? Daily withdrawals over buffer, or taking it out as needed and leave the rest in there? A personal account, I withdraw every single day. Every single day. If I need something from the shop, I fucking withdraw. Like, it all goes straight to my PayPal. So, yeah, I think withdraw as much as you can all the time. Split it up into different banks. All right? Like, anything can happen. I would never sit there with $1 million. Let's say I had £1 million or $1 million. I wouldn't have that in a bank. Like, that'd be mixed up in different crypto wallets, fucking stocks, all sorts of shit. Have your money everywhere, but if we're talking 10k accounts, 20k accounts, yeah, fusion markets, I'm usually sitting around 20k, so I withdraw like probably a bag plus every week. I'm not rich. I'm far from rich. The goal actually this year is to make 100k and keep it. Last year I made 100k. I actually done the maths with like how much I made from trading and how much I made from the WAP store and like selling the courses and the mentoring. The mentoring and the memberships was $20,000 I made, and the rest was me. I made like 100k, but in dollars though, so it isn't Great British pounds. So I didn't make 100,000 Great British pounds. I broke it down in dollars. It was like $100,000 plus I made last year, and I didn't declare none of it. I got hit by the tax man. I got caught slipping, and he's not happy. Not happy at all. Yeah. So make sure you do things by the book, because I just didn't. I just weren't telling anyone what I was getting. I was just fucking keeping it, and just when I sent my bank statements in to the HMRC, HMRC, sorry, they just was like, what the fuck? Connor Alexander Livingstone sending in myself money to like 4 different bank accounts every day. And they were like, what do you do for a living? And I was like, YouTube? And they were like, no. I was like, trading, gambling, but I don't really know what it is. And they were like, yeah, you're not stupid, clearly. This isn't by luck, you know what I mean? You're withdrawing like $1,000 fucking dollars every 2 days or every day, and you ain't even declared any of it. So, taxman have hit me. Now I pay my taxes. But you know how they found me as well? Because of YouTube. YouTube, man. Because you gotta sign like statements and shit to be a YouTuber. When you trail, is it that right button? You click sell limit. What is it again? That's what I'm saying, bro. I don't fucking like trailing my drawdown on, trailing my stop loss on this. So I still haven't fully figured it out myself. So say I press sell, and I wanted to trail my stop like there. I would right click, and I think I'd put a buy stop. Either a buy stop or a buy stop limit. Someone in the chat tell me. Genuinely, I don't know. I actually don't know that. How much are taxes on the withdrawals? No, it's not taxed like that, bro. It's different, actually. It is different. So, with crypto, the taxes are fucking ridiculously high in the UK. It's almost pointless in even fucking holding it. All right? Honestly, it's disgusting. But now, I just got to give them every 12 months, everything that I've done. I just got to keep receipts and bank statements. So I always keep money in the bank ready to be taxed. But it isn't like taxed on withdrawals. Like fusion markets take a little tiny bit of money when you withdraw. Not much at all, really. Forex is amazing. But in the UK, it is actually, if you choose a raw spread betting site to put your money in, all right, a raw spread betting site, I'm saying it to you right now, like Fucking why is my mind gone blank, bro? Uh, Pepperstone. Say I put like 10k into Pepperstone. Is in a raw spread betting account. It's actually technically tax free. All right. You get what I'm saying? If you're using that as like a place to hold money and stuff and withdraw, when they see you withdraw to the bank from places like that, and it isn't a lot of money, like just say like 10, 20k, stuff like that, fucking, it's classed as gambling. It's classed as betting. And in the UK, you don't pay taxes for betting. It's tax free, all right? It's tax free money. And like in America, you got to pay taxes on the lottery. How fucked up is that? They take a chunk of your money from the lottery. What the fuck? But yo, I need to quickly get off, do a YouTube short, promote that meeting, get everybody seated, because there's like, I just read it and it said 1,000 fucking account giveaways, but I'm pretty sure it meant to say 100, but I don't know. What's up? Yeah, I'm good, bro. I can't say your name, sorry, man. Amri Singh. Amrit Singh. I'm so bad at that stuff. I'm sorry. I'm gonna call you A. What's up, A? Glory to God. Thanks, Colin, for coming back to YouTube. No problem. It was never my plan to leave YouTube for good. I promise you. I needed a break. Mentally, shit was going on. All right, but that wasn't fair on any of you. So I'm gonna quickly just do a couple of promo videos, and then I'm gonna jump on YouTube, and we're gonna back test. We're gonna do a back testing session today, live on YouTube for free. I usually just do it with my premium members, but I'm gonna do it on YouTube, and it's gonna be about the Redline server trading tomorrow. So we're gonna back test German 40. I can't get my words out. Sorry, Frank 40, German 40. I feel like it is, bro. Yeah, it is. It's German, and we're gonna be we're gonna be testing the Frank and the German, okay? And we're gonna see which times are best, because I get a 2-hour trading gap on Redline server. So first would be the pre-London, which would be 7 a.m. in the UK, and then the second opportunity I get to trade was 8 a.m. in the UK. So that's free as well. That's free, if you didn't know. So I'll drop the link. But yeah, I need to get off and do some promoting, because it's like gonna start soon. So we'll do a little back testing session in a bit. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you all in a bit. And I hope you ended this session profitable. But fuck me, these pairs are on smoke. I need to get off before I start entering again. But I'll catch you later anyway, right? Oh yeah, if you don't follow me or subscribed already, do that shit. Bless up.